Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Friday, June 4th, and today is my maternity shoot this evening. So I'm here on my way to go pick up my the dress that I'm gonna be wearing this evening from the photographer. So she's gonna steam it. Let me turn on this. Hope you guys hear me. She's gonna steam it and everything, and then I just pick it up and just get ready from home one time. And yeah, so I left Alina home with David because he off today, and because she was sleeping, and I tell her I'm gonna come like around 1 o'clock because it's going on 1 o'clock right now, but she don't live too far from us. So that's what's up right now. We're just gonna get my dress and probably stop in at Ulta to get some new lashes, because I have some lashes that I like to wear from there, so I might get a new set. Just stop there and get a new set when I come back home. So that's it for right now. Check in with you guys in a few. Hi.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. Tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polars, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and your smile, baby?
Hey you guys, so we are on our way to go take our maternity photos. It's a little cloudy and rainy, drizzling, but hopefully we get to do our shoot and get these pictures done so we don't have to reschedule. Mama is back there. Hi. I called the banana so she don't mess up her clothes. Say hi. She probably watching it, and David's driving. So yeah, we are on our way. See you guys when we get there. Hey you guys, so it's the next day. I think the last time I told you guys we were on our way to do our shoot, but we had to turn around because it was raining too much up at the location, and it was raining too much at the location, and so the photographer decided to, like, you know, just postpone it till tomorrow, Sunday morning. We're gonna go and do it early in the morning, like 6:30. So I'm gonna get up early tomorrow. I'm gonna be tired after that, and we're gonna go do it for sunrise, because today the sunrise was nice and the sun was up and everything, but a little cloudy now. So tomorrow should be good. They didn't have any rain scheduled for tomorrow. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. I hear in Taco Bell getting something to eat right now. Today feel like Sunday though. I guess because David got, he went to work, so I here with Delina, and then I go over by my mom to drop off some paperwork and stuff for her. So yeah. You wanna say hi? Hi. Oh, she said hey y'all. Hey y'all. She in a good mood. Yeah, so that's it for today. Sunday, nothing really, not Sunday, I say Sunday now, Saturday, nothing really going on. I went grocery shopping last night, pick up a few stuff, some travel stuff to fill my bag with, my hospital bag, because I get everything, I just have to pack it now, and I'm waiting on David on. I ordered one for him because I realized, like, his stuff and my stuff is not gonna fit in his bag, so I ordered a bag for him, so he should be here by next week, Thursday or so. So I'm gonna pack mine, pack his, and Delina, I ain't get on for her yet. I need to buy she a bag, like, just so to have it packed so I don't have to be scrambling if anything happened. We just pick up all the bags and go through the door, drop her by my mom, and we'll just head to the hospital or whatever. So I want to buy her a bag and just pack it and have it there too. So I'm gonna look to see, or I'm gonna look at Amazon and get a little suitcase for her and just order it. Our crib came in Thursday it came in, I think. So we'll be putting that up sometime next week in the room. And finishing up the nursery, and just all I gotta do now after that is wash all his newborn clothes and blankets and stuff. I gotta wash everything, put them in a drawer, and just get my shelving unit, get his shelving unit for in his closet. So time counting down, like we're already in June. I only get July and August. Like, oh my god. But remember, Delina came early. She came at 35 weeks, so I kind of prepared myself for 35 weeks. Kind of a little paranoid. So I want to be ready by 35 weeks just in case anything happen. So today I make 28 weeks. So this is third trimester going through now. This is last lap. So I just making sure I get my I's dotted and T's crossed, because I planning for 35 weeks, because they say it might not happen like that again, being that her birth was natural or whatever, but I ain't taking no chance. I'm gonna be ready. Yeah, right mama, we're gonna be ready, right, for your brother? Yep, I'm gonna put his car seat in the back and everything. Everything, mama, everything. So let me get my food here. Big man, pull up now. How are you? Good, how are you? Have I lost it? Thank you. Thanks, you too. Oops, sorry. Yes, I'm about to drive off now, and this camera might fall, so see you guys.
What happened?
The guy review? Oh.
Hi. You gotta take the one you had him, because you don't open it. that came. That was only not big. Right?
It's not that.
Yeah, because all don't have a.
To adjust.
Yeah. This one? And they had the whole one. The mice don't have to. They probably don't make a letter anymore. David has cooked some food this Sunday.
Yeah, we're going soft stuff.
This is my plate because I don't eat much. Thanks, babe.